How to fix Zenless Zone 0 stuck on black screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna show you some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the issue of black screen in Zenless Zone 0. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply update the graphic drivers. So if you are using Nvidia, then you just have to launch their website or their application in your PC, and over here you just have to click on the drivers option in the top. You need to make sure that you are logging in into your account. Then you need to click on the option that says check for updates. Now once you click on check for updates, if there is any update available, then you will be able to see the download button. So you need to click on download button, and then the drivers will be start updating in your device. Now if you are using any others graphic providers like AMD or Intel, then you need to go to their official website and download the latest drivers from there. The second thing that you can do is you can simply check for the game file integrity. So corrupted or missing game files can cause the black screen issue. So in order to verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, for Steam you need to right click on the game in your library, then you need to go to properties, then local files, and then select the verify integrity of game files option. For other launchers, you just have to follow similar steps provided in their settings or support section. You can even try adjusting the in-game settings. So sometimes the incorrect in-game settings can lead to display issues. For that, you can try launching the game in windowed mode and lowering the graphic settings. You can access the game settings through the launcher or configuration file and adjust the resolution and display mode. You can even disable the background applications. So conflicts with background applications can cause a black screen. So you just have to disable unnecessary background applications before launching the game. Use Task Manager, or you can even press Ctrl plus Shift plus escape key to close non-essential programs, especially those that use significant system resources. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the black screen issue in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.